Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Prof. If you're interested in learning Russian vocab one day at a time, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, for those of you who are interested in studying Russian using your mobile device, you can download the Chegg Prep app from either the iPhone or the Android app stores and search for Travlin Prof-Kitchen. There you can find an updated list of all the words that we have taught on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, but for right now, let's dive into today's word. Today's Russian word of the day is
Завтрак. Завтрак.
завтрак.
Завтрак.
Завтрак.
Just a little bit open. Завтрак.
Завтрак. So the word for breakfast is pronounced завтрак, and something you might be interested in knowing, especially about the meals in Russian, is that all of the words that we use as nouns, like завтрак, and then the word for lunch and dinner, which we will learn later, can also be formed into verbs, which would be завтракать and something similar to that. So now it's your turn. Let's hear you try to say the word завтрак. And maybe if you're feeling lucky, try to say the verb, завтракать. We'll see you again soon, but until then, get curious and start digging.
Завтрак. Завтрак.